When can you trade? Forex, Tokyo session. Listen. Translate. What do you call a North American Forex trader who trades during the Tokyo session? A sleepwalker with a profit motive. Understanding the Tokyo session is crucial for Forex traders, especially those focusing on Asian currencies or looking to capitalize on early market movements. For traders living in Marika, America, the trading day actually begins on Sunday night at 5:02 p.m. EST, 10:02 p.m. GMT. However, liquidity doesn't really show up until Tokyo opens a few hours later. The opening of the Tokyo session at 12 a.m. GMT marks the start of currency trading in Asia and ends at 09 a.m. GMT. In local time, it's roughly 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tokyo time. You should take note that the Tokyo session is sometimes referred to as the Asian session. We built a Forex market hours tool that will automatically convert all 4 trading sessions in your local time zone. Use it as a reference until you remember the market hours from memory. One thing worth noting is that Japan is the 3rd largest Forex trading center in the world. This shouldn't be too surprising since the yen is the 3rd most traded currency, partaking in 16.8% of all Forex transactions. Tokyo session overall, around 20% of all Forex trading volume takes place during the Asian session. It's not all coming from just Tokyo, though. There are other major financial centers in Asia, such as Singapore and Hong Kong. What's interesting is that nowadays, more Forex trading volume comes out of Singapore and Hong Kong than in Tokyo. Both Singapore and Hong Kong comprised 7.6% of overall volume each, while Japan had 4.5%. Maybe Asian session is more appropriate than the Tokyo session? Below is a table of the Asian session pip ranges per hour of the major currency pairs. Pair Tokyo, EUR, USD 7, GBP, USD 9, USD, JPY 16, AUD, USD 9, NZD, USD 9, USD, CAD 8, USD, CHF 40, EUR, JPY 17, GBP, JPY 20, AUD, JPY 14, EUR, GBP 17, EUR, CHF 6. These pip values were calculated using averages of past data. Take note that these are not absolute values and can vary depending on liquidity and other market conditions. An easy way to find out the current average pip range for a currency pair during the Tokyo session is to use our Market Milk TM app. For example, here is the average pip range for EUR USD. Average pip range for EUR USD. Here are some key characteristics that you should know about the Tokyo session. Action isn't only limited to Japanese shores. Tons of Forex transactions are made in other financial hotspots like Hong Kong, Singapore, and Sydney. The main market participants during the Tokyo session are commercial companies, exporters, and central banks. Remember, Japan's economy is heavily export-dependent, and with China also being a major trade player, there are a lot of transactions taking place on a daily basis. Liquidity can sometimes be very thin. There will be times when trading during this period will be like fishing. You might have to wait a long time before getting a nibble. It is more likely that you will see stronger moves in Asia-Pacific currency pairs like AUD-USD and NZD-USD, as opposed to non-Asia-Pacific pairs like GBP-USD. During those times of thin liquidity, most pairs may stick within a range. This provides opportunities for short-term day trades or potential breakout trades later in the day. Most of the action takes place early in the session when more economic data is released. Moves in the Tokyo session could set the tone for the rest of the day. Traders in the latter sessions will look at what happened during the Tokyo session to help organize and evaluate what strategies to take in other sessions. Typically, after big moves in the preceding New York session, you may see consolidation during the Tokyo session. Which currency pairs should you trade during the Tokyo session? Since the Tokyo session is when news from Australia, New Zealand, and Japan comes out, this presents a good opportunity to trade news events. Also, there could be more movement in yen pairs as a lot of yen is changing hands as Japanese companies are conducting business. Take note that China is also an economic superpower, so whenever news comes out from China, it tends to create volatile moves. With Australia and Japan relying heavily on Chinese demand, we could see greater movement in AUD and JPY pairs when Chinese data comes in. Is the Tokyo session right for you? Whether or not you should trade during the Tokyo session depends on your personal trading style, risk tolerance, and time availability. If you prefer lower volatility and tighter ranges, or if you're interested in trading JPY pairs, the Tokyo session might be a good fit. However, if you thrive on high volatility and prefer trading during other trading hours, you might find the Tokyo session less appealing. Now let's check out how you can trade the London session.